How to download voice message from Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated and latest version of the application on your device so you avoid any sort of glitches while using the application. After that, tap on the Messenger application and then tap on the profile that you want to download the voice message from. So as you can see, I have received a voice message over here. Now to download it, there's no direct option. As I tap on it, all I can see is the reply option, the pin option, forward, and under more you can see bump, remove details, and report. There's no option to download the voice message. Even if you forward the message, you will not be able to receive the message. So what we can do is just we can turn on the screen recorder option over here, and as I turn on the screen recorder, just play this voice message and you will be able to screen record and download or record the voice in the voice messenger and download that recording. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.